I salute all my people where they watch me. This one now from the decks of Pastor Funke Felix. She don't carry another advice. Can't give us. And this one where she dey talk and say, if you know say you get friend wey be say the person poor, make you stop to dey make friends with the person. Say as a person, if you be say now you even be the richest person among your caucus by now, you suppose don't break that friendship. Because say wait, you no even suppose dey in the same level with that kind of person. But make it not be like say that me they add pepper inside this matter. Make now use na ear, see for yourself.
Joseph befriended wealthy prisoners. Butler, baker, connected prisoners. Even in the prison. Some of you are the best person in your group. Wake up. That group should expire tonight. You are the richest in the company among your friends. When you sit on the table, you are the richest. That relationship has expired. Move on. Befriend wealthy mentors. You may not like their nose. It doesn't matter. It's not nose you came to look at. It is what they are. You look like what you look at. A time is coming in this ministry when your reverend will come and say, we want to build so. And three of you will just come and say, Daddy, how much will it cost? For your sake, people will envy Reverend Olumide. That your amen is not correct.
Madam Pastor, I beg no vex. So me, I'd always enjoy your preaching, but this one, it just kill my spirit. I beg, I don't know where on they see all this in a motivational talk they bring them out from. Because now all this kind of talking, now they make people they carry hand, go they choke inside bad things. I beg, since when friendship begin relate with money, you don't know the difference again. Your church sense now don't begin to scatter everything where you know. And now she they claim say a person won't befriend, make we they befriend wealthy mentors. I don't understand that part. They try to tell people say, okay, now make they know they look the good side of people. Now person will get money, make person they follow. It means say now you they advise your girls, maybe they follow sugar daddies. Now how me at them reason this matter? Because I don't see waiting be wealthy mentors for this whole matter. And then with all these wealthy men, some of us don't even know where their money they come from. Now I go see they shout, they talk say some of them their money no clean. But now when I still they advise people. So many people they follow this way. Madam, this your ideology, it no make sense. The one where God talk, the one where God no talk now, on just they confuse everything, they confuse me. Even other people now, they don't even know who to believe again. But anyway, don't forget the situation they change. Make we can't look and say now the person where they claim say the person poor, the person can't get money. I no can understand. So that person now, she say go come change in kako. Sometimes if na they preach, make na they sit down, they reason. Madam, I go advise say, make you go back, go rethink this your statement because for me, I no buy am at all. Anyways, my people now here, I go take break on this matter. Make na stay tuned for our next story. Wahala be like prophecy, oh hey. One pass stress. Yes, now what I go call her because her prophecy self they stress me. This woman don't come outside, they list the things where we say go make us make the kingdom of God. And among everything where she mentioned vitamin C. On another thing where we say people they take now. Where they say go help you suppress COVID-19, that one day inside. The one we call shock me person, she can't mention Titus fish on a no salmon fish now. Yes, she claims say that one self day inside. And say if you continue to the chop am, you know go make the kingdom. In fact, you know go even day close to God. You know go even see God. My people, beg, make you follow me watch.
If you continue taking vitamin C, bet it you can't make it. How can you make it unless you go and stop it and do your deliverance? Is it not ascorbic? Ascorbic acid is not produced anywhere on earth. Ascorbic acid came direct from the deep sea. Some of you see they take Titus. Oh, you want Titus? You can't make heaven. So why you are using Titus fish? You can't make heaven also. You must.
Mother of Jesus Christ. I don't know when God come prophesy to you because this revelation me are they very certain say no be God. And they claim say this fish, that salmon fish, and I know say the body won't be like snake. Say that fish they come from the marine coast. Say na mommy water na send that fish come into the world. Hey, Madam Pastor, wetin person no go hear for this word of God wey be say people dey preach? Everybody go come outside, they misinterpret and they twist the whole thing. Now, so one come outside, come talk say na okra soup. This one now don't add vitamin C and fish. And she they claim say if you want see the kingdom of God, you suppose go for deliverance. You suppose go for cleansing. I know say those of now where they believe by now, I don't go do it. But me, I go continue to the chopper. Because I know see waiting at the cleanse. God now give us dominion over everything. In fact, some things where they on chop, we say people go chop. Now he give us the authority. Make we chop all this. I no come know where your own God. God of Yah Jesus come meet you, they prophesy to you. Say now wetin God they talk be this. All these pastors say, me I don't tire for now own matter. Because this whole imagination when they call prophecy, I don't know which God they give in that direction. I beg you, make now go back, go sleep. We wash on our brain. Before now come outside when they prophesy, they brainwash on our people. Because this whole church matter now, it don't really tire me. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.